In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new annotation tool in Google Slides. Whether you're a student giving a presentation, an educator adding flair to your lessons, or a professional aiming to enhance your business slides, understanding how to annotate directly in Google Slides is invaluable. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account. Just enter your email and password as you would usually, and you'll be good to go. Now that you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you can see all your recent presentations. It's a handy way to jump into past projects or start something entirely new. For the purposes of this tutorial, let's click on Blank Presentation. This will open a new slide deck where we can experiment with the annotation tool. Once your blank presentation is open, look towards the top menu and click on View. This option allows you to change how you look at your slides, which is critical for presenting effectively. From the drop-down menu under View, select Slideshow. This will launch your presentation in full screen mode, just as it would appear to your audience during a live presentation. Now move your cursor down to the bottom left of the screen. You'll see a series of icons appear as you hover in this area. It's designed to give you quick access to tools that might enhance your presentation. Look for the icon with 3 dots. It's often referred to as the More menu or the Overflow menu. Clicking on this will reveal additional options. From there, find the Turn on the Pen option. This is the new annotation tool, and clicking on it will allow you to directly draw on your slides during the presentation. It's a fantastic way to emphasize specific points, underline text, or draw diagrams on the fly. Once the pen is activated, you can use your mouse or trackpad to annotate freely across your slides. The tool is intuitive and offers various colors, so you can choose whichever best suits your presentation style. Remember, annotations made during a slideshow are temporary. They're meant to facilitate understanding in the moment and won't affect the actual slide's design. This ensures that your original content remains unchanged for future use or editing. That's all there is to it. You've now mastered the essentials of using the new annotation tool in Google Slides. Whether you're conducting a remote lecture or leading a board meeting, this tool can significantly enhance your delivery. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials on getting the most out of your digital tools.